M15, that candle high at one.
The all-new Lexus RX. Never lose your edge.
150.
This is beautiful.
Yes. Yep, yes. This is exactly what this is. That high. Yep.
The junk in the throat.
And what? Relayed back.
This is the beautiful thing about what he's doing here. He's talking about how it's going up high. He's talking about how it's going up high. You'll notice really interesting. Actually, let's do this. You'll notice really interesting. Dave, once again, the best hindsight trader in the world. He gets the trophy for that. Congratulations. You are good at something. You are good at hindsight trading. Amazing. You should be proud of yourself. You should let all your peeps know in New York that you are the best at something. You are the best at hindsight trading. Congratulations. There is no trophy for you because hindsight trading is for pussies. But you should be proud of yourself. Okay, this is a 1 minute chart or whatever you noticed. This little candle right here would be the candle we talk about all the time, which is the tail at the bottom of the candle, longer than the body of the candle. We would actually execute on that. The difference is Dave doesn't execute because Dave doesn't have balls. Bottom line, period, end of story. But this is really good because he's starting to talk about how it's going up and stuff like that, and then just watch what happens. This is hilarious.
Back to the area that it came out of, right? So we still have these areas up here marked. We'll see what price does. This is inside of the 15-minute imbalance, guys. This is.
So he's talking about up moves, up moves, up moves.
Let me mark that out for you guys so you see that.
Yes, please mark it out for us. We need you to do that.
15-minute imbalance. That's why you see that rejection.
No, you see that rejection because of the candle that I showed you. That's why you see the rejection.
But look at what's happening.
No, you see the rejection because there's more buyers than sellers. Yeah, you see the rejection because there's more buyers than sellers.
A lot of people like to just jump into imbalances.
You know what it reminds me of too? I was thinking this today. It reminds me of Dave reminds me of something, and I pulled this little clip up just for you guys. It reminds me of Dave.
Clear. High in, low out. What is it?
High in, low out.
All right, put your helmets on, everybody. Let's go. Here we go. Come on. Helmets on.
Hey, Coach.
Yeah.
I can't get my helmet on.
Hey, Coach,
Thanks,
I can't get my helmet
What are
on.
you here for?
Oh, Coach?
Yeah.
I gotta go,
Hold it.
Hold it?
Hold it.
Hold it?
Yeah, hold it.
But Coach, I can't hold it. We're not bobsledding yet.
Oh, yes, we are.
Coach!
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 Coach, I can't get my helmet on. Thanks, Coach. Dave kind of reminds me of that.
It's play the imbalance, yeah, but you want to.
Dave kind of reminds me of that.
We have different confirmations, yeah.
I can't get my helmet on.
You mean Raja?
Thanks, Coach.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I would show you guys the Raja, man.
Oh, he's going to show us something about Raja, huh?
Yep. Order block, S&D, same thing. Yeah. I don't think he wants to say supply or demand, so he says order block. That's okay. Oh, whatever. As long as people get the concept.
Yeah, we'll go here.
People just gotta get over that fear of like hitting the button and being wrong.
Then hit the button.
A lot
Dave.
of times that comes from over leveraging.
Then hit the button, Dave. Hit the button. A lot of times that comes from over leveraging. Even though he sent me a message saying that he doubled his account in one trade, that would be called over leveraging. That's interesting.
Hitting the button and being wrong. There's that fear there that comes from over leveraging.
Then hit the button, Dave. Then hit the button.
That's what that comes from. Overleveraging.
Yeah. Yeah.
There was 2 entries in this area.
Oh, yeah. See, again, here it is. Hindsight
My
trading.
aggressive one where I mentioned the beginning of the imbalance. You see
Oh,
it's been
okay.
a new high.
Okay. There was 2 entries.
And then this swing, right? This candle came out of it.
Okay.
This black candle came out of it.
It's
The
black-
next
but- so
candle
where are your
opened up,
entries,
tapped
Dave?
into the 50%. You see that?
So where are your entries, Dave? There were 2 entries there. Where are your entries? Oh, that's right. You will never show them because you don't actually take them. Okay, watch this. This is hilarious.
Right here. Tapped into you see this? This candle tapped into the 50%, right? So why couldn't I had a 50% tap there and in the same minute, 23 points up? Shut it. Close.
Why is it specifically 23 points? Why specifically you could have done that and then you shut it down at 23 points? Why is it specifically 23 points that you could have shut it down? Oh, is it because it's going down now? Oh, that's right. Yeah. I told you it was going to go up, but you could have gotten 23 and then just shut it down. Oh, you could have just gotten specifically 23 and then just shut it down.
It's a swing. This is a swing here, right?
Well, keep drawing the box a little bit higher so you can get
So this
the
put
right.
in a new high. And oftentimes what you have with these are they come out, tap back in, and continue down to a particular area that's down here. Usually it's the area that mitigated the top of this. There is this fractal that's present too. So let's see what that does, guys. I gotta go get some water real quick. So I'll be right
So he
back.
gets some water, and then 13 minutes passes, and he's like, "Oh yes, I told you, we did exactly what we want." Watch this. So then 11 minutes passes by, and he's like,
Hey,
"I
did
told
that
you
play
we'd do
out?
it exactly."
Somebody has said on chat, I love how you turn up the music and go away when the zone isn't playing. What are you even talking about?
Exactly. He's talking about exactly what you do. The guy, he's like, his person is talking about exactly what he does. He goes away when it's in the zone, and then when it comes back to the zone, he's like, "Oh, look, it did exactly what I said it would do."
I think I know what I'm talking about. Y'all, do y'all think I know what I'm talking about? Does it look like I know what I'm talking about? Because what was that about? I think I drew this before it happened, didn't I? And then what happened? Nah. People be killing me with the stuff that they say, like.
Because they say true
Hey, bro,
things.
I don't know you, and I ain't got nothing against you, but
People kill you with
can't come
things you
with
say
that
because
lazy
they say
talking
true
point.
things.
Just say
Weird.
you don't know and you want to learn. I'll mentor you.
You'll mentor them. Oh, please,
Says
yes.
David
Let's mentor
Obafemi.
hindsight trading.
This is you, bro. You know I'm talking to you.
Let's mentor hindsight trading. Oh,
It
yes.
hit the 30%.
The 30%. If it didn't hit the 30%, he said would have said, "Oh, look, hit the 50%."
In that area. You see how I already had that in mind when drawing this? And then price came down and did the exact thing. We talked about it reacting at this fractal. Wasn't this here already, guys? Like,
See it again? Do you see it? Talking about stuff after the fact. He goes away to get water and comes back and talks about, "Oh, I knew it. I told you." Clowns.
yeah, so that's why I don't pay attention to people who be like, "Oh, yeah."
Okay, now listen to this. This is even better.
Yeah, okay. I think I called this without price even being there on the 1 minute, right, guys? Look at this, guys. Look at this. Caution or look for, especially when we fall out of these areas. Price
just listen to this.
Tap into some imbalance above before putting in another bottom. Can it just tap into the middle and put another low? Yes, it can. But Usually this is how it moves. Let me see. What area are we in here? La, 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 la. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. If you guys learn the stuff that I'm
Listen carefully coming up here.
you can mark this stuff out on your own. I already marked this area back here for you guys. But you can mark it out on your own and look at different reactions that potentially happen within these areas. But this area was marked out already. So. La 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 la. Uh-oh. What are we doing?
The next minute here, pay attention to what he says. It only takes 23, man. Remember, Sam, it was 23. 23. And he got it, he got it, and he got right at the top before it started going down. He got it and took it out right at the top. Remember, he got 23, and then it started going way down, and he's like, I got it. Right at the last minute, I got it right at the top where I could have gotten 23, and then it went down. That's interesting.
Hey, Pro Charge. Yeah. Okay, Pro Charge. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That candle. Yes, sir. Gatekeep. There's a trick though with it. I'm gonna introduce it in the private mentorship. But there's a way to use it for a zone.
Do you hear what he said there? He said he's going to introduce it in the private group. But wait a second. I thought everything he does and everything he teaches is free. So if everything he does is free and he doesn't charge people, why is there a need for a private group? Can someone square that for me? I thought everything he does is free. Everything he does is free. If everything he does is free, why is there a need for a private group?
But you guys are gonna see in the private mentorship.
Oh,
like
whoa!
What?
I thought everything was free.
Introduce it in the private mentorship. But there's a way to use it for a zone. But you guys are gonna see in the private mentorship.
Trust me, Sam is no fan. Sam is no fan. But isn't that interesting that he says in the private mentorship group? Why is there a need for a private mentorship group if everything's free? Shouldn't it just be all out in public? Shouldn't you just explain it all out in public if everything is for free? Why are you only going to give it to the people in the private mentorship group? Weird.
It's going to be like insane. Like, what? That's crazy. Yeah. Trying to see the exact spot that it reacted from here.
Yes, make sure you see the exact spot it reacted from so that you can draw your little silly lines from the exact spot that it reacted off of. Make sure you find that exact spot where it bounced off so you can draw lines and say you called it.
Look at this. Right here. There's one candle.
Yep, there it is. See?
Crazy?
Perfect.
Look, there.
Yep, there it is. See? He did it again. I'm trying to find, and he even said it. He even said it to himself. I'm trying to find the exact spot where it did it, so I can draw a circle and do that. Look at that. Look at that right there. He's the Elijah Muhammad of the U.S. trading community. He's looking for his Muhammad Ali and Malcolm X to join his collective and sit on the sidelines and let them do the talking, aka Nash trading and Pips. That's hilarious. Well, he should call me. because I actually take trades on the US 30 and I actually call trades on the US 30 and I actually execute trades on said US 30. He should actually call me. I could help him.
With anybody else's strategy? Absolutely not. Anybody else's teaching, trading? Absolutely not. I do not trade ICT's model and systems and.
Oh, there it go. There he's talking about it. There, right there.
The effort you put into work.
You're talking about he's watched a few ICT videos, and that here's
his money for anything. Nothing. I need your money. Keep your money. I don't charge for anything.
Then why the need for a private group? If you don't charge for anything, why the need for a private mentorship group? Why not just say it right here in the YouTube chat? Why the need for you only to explain it to the private group?
Nothing that I teach I will ever charge for. But see how you got this
then why the private group
section where people are learning from the concepts, and they're posting the charting, and it gives you an idea of who's very strong in their trading and their charting, who's really pushing to kind of understand the different movements of price within different areas. Like you see people just showing different things, are a part of entries that I take.
You don't take them? What are you talking about? You take them? What are you talking about?
You see, everybody's kind of learning the sort of the same way. That's a nice trade right there. Whoever this is.
That's a nice trade right there. Whoever that was, I didn't take, but that's a nice trade. The dude streamed for 6 hours yesterday. He really needs to find God again. He says Jesus loves you in his stream right here. He says Jesus loves you in his stream. You really need to find God if you're streaming for 6 hours. Find him again. I mean, you could take out maybe an hour of that time and pray and find God again if you're streaming for 6 hours.
Road to trillion. That's a nice trade. Yeah. So
he doesn't take trades. He's like, where I execute to, you're lying.
And you're learning from the material. Like I said, if I see anything with anybody else's strategy, absolutely not. Anybody else's teaching, trading, absolutely not. I do not trade ICT's
Here it is.
model and systems and nothing. So that'll just blow your head up and hinder you from ever learn. You will never learn institutional trading trying to jam his concepts into mine.
Okay, listen. You will never learn institutional trading on a 1 minute chart on the US 30. I'm being honest with you right now. You will never learn it. So stop lying and telling people you're trying to teach them institutional trading. No institutional trading trades a 1 minute chart. You're full of shit. And then you pile it on with more dog shit. No institution trades a 1 minute chart, you fucking moron.
You first learn from this, and then you move forward with, like adding other things in if you want to. So, a lot of people they're misconstrued. They think I trade ICT's concepts. I do not trade ICT's concepts.
You do not, no, you're not teaching institutional trading on a 1 minute chart, you fucking moron. Are you high on the crack cocaine? Have you and Hunter Biden been smoking the crack off of one-legged hookers? Is that what you're doing? After you stream for 6 hours, are you and Hunter Biden smoking the crack cocaine off of one-legged hookers? Because you're high on crack if you think that institutional trading consists of trading off a 1 minute chart. You are high on the crack cocaine, and you better call your buddy Hunter.
I don't know his models, his systems. I don't know why he enters into a trade. Nothing at all. I don't trade anything like him. I know, some other people still, talk about that. Like Naz's analysis is becoming a lot more like ICT's. And I mean, that's fine. He's already learned what he needed to be profitable with my system. But now he's moving a little more into ICT. I look at this for my news. You see this guy? Don't ever trust this guy. Jamie Dimon, whatever his name is.
Jamie Dimon, idiot.
Warns U.S. likely to tip into recession in 6 to 9 months. This man said a month ago, it doesn't look like the U.S. is going into a recession.
It's Jamie Dimon, you idiot. Everyone knows who that is.
Double bottom on imbalance. Manipulation for the wick. Structure, limit versus market orders. Like I'm even talking about stop loss, risk management. That's why when people are like, so where do you place your stop at? Sometimes the high and lows confuse me because you don't know structure. So you got to watch this. I have this whole playlist here. Already did all of the teaching here, except for sorry. Okay, look at this. I said only anticipate pullbacks after structural highs are cleared. I said I felt like I needed to yell that because I wrote that in caps.
He said he was going to go after Raja here. I'm not seeing where he's going to do that. He must have forgotten.
What a break of
What a waste of time. What a waste of time.
There's even miscellaneous stuff that he recorded. I'm telling you, this guy is so amazing. Miscellaneous stuff he recorded.
A waste of time. This guy's a waste of time. He's a waste of time.
There you go.
He's the Jamaican bobsled team.
An algorithm for you to find a way to trade with.
He's the Jamaican bobsled team.
Your own temperament in what you see and what you know.
He's the Jamaican bobsled team.
On based on how your emotions are set up. This is the first imbalance, guys. Remember the first imbalance? You gotta.
He's the Jamaican bobsled team.
Here. High in, low out. What is it?
High in.
High in, low out. I tell you about the trade after the fact. High in, high out. I tell you, it go high, it go low. I tell you after the trade. I tell you what it do after the trade. High in, high out. It go high and then it go out. And then it go low and then it go out. And I tell you that after the trade. After the trade, I tell you that. Because why? I'm the Jamaican bobsled team.
Here we go. Come on. Helmets on.
Hey, Coach.
Yeah.
I can't get my helmet on. Oh, thanks, Coach.
Coach, I can't get my helmet on. I can't call a trade during the market, live market, but I sure can call a trade when the market has already happened, Coach. Coach, I can't get my US 30 analysis right.
That's what I'm here for.
That's what he's here for.
Coach?
Yeah.
Oh, Coach,
I gotta go
because it's not doing what I say it's going to do. And then I come back in 10 minutes and I'll tell you it's doing exactly what I want it to do, Coach.
You're
Hold
going to go down.
Hold it.
No, it's going to go up.
Hold it.
Yeah, hold it.
But Coach, I can't hold it. We're not bobsledding yet.
I can't hold it, Coach. We're not doing US 30 yet.
Yes, we are.
Good.
That's what it's all about right there. Coach!
Slow it down. Oh my God. Oh, Doris, I hate you.
That's half the fun of a new house.
This is how he pumps himself up every day. This is how Dave pumps himself up every day.
Fun too.
Well, enjoy your house.
Nope.
Geico.
Now look in the mirror and tell me what you see.
I see high insight trading. That's what I see.
You see Junior. You see
I see Junior. I see hindsight trading.
Junior. Well, you want to know what I see? I see pride.
I see pride. I see hindsight trading.
I see power. I see a badass mother who don't take no crap of nobody. You really see all that? Yeah, man.
Yeah, but I see all that. But I see all of that after it's already happened. I see all of it, man. But I see all of it after it's already happened. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I see it all after it's already happened. Yeah, I'm that good.
But it's not about what I see.
But it's not about what I see, because I see it all. Hindsight.
It's about what you see. Now look.
What do you see? Oh, I see that it did exactly what I said it would do. Except the fact that it did exactly what I said it would do after the fact.
Look in this mirror and tell me again what you see. Well, I see pride. Pride. Right. Power. Power. And I see a badass mother who don't take no crap off of nobody. Again.
Yeah, it's not about what I see. It's about ICT. I will make a meme video about that, Sam. I will make a meme. It's not about what I see. It's about what ICT. That's hilarious. That's a good one. Very good.
I see pride. Can't hear you. I see power. I see a badass mother who won't take no crap off of nobody. Once again. I see pride. Junior. I see power. I see a badass mother who won't take no crap off of nobody. That's right. Right. I see a badass mother who don't take no crap of nobody. You really see all that? Yeah, man.
No, ICT. 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 That's good. I like that.
You got to do that. So
ICT.
It's how you execute. You know, I tell you guys, price acts at the beginning of the imbalance. Sometimes price sometimes shifts. Yeah, so that's why I don't pay attention to people who'll be like, oh, yeah, okay, I think I called this without price even being.
No, you didn't call it. You drew a line, and then you're taking credit for it now. No.
Look at this.
I do not trade ICT. 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 Anyways, I'm out of here, guys. I just wanted to do this live video and have some fun at Dave's expense because it's just too good.
How long did it take
it's
you to
too easy to have some fun at Dave's expense because, like I said, it's real. I've said it from the very beginning, and people need to understand this when you're listening to people. First of all, there's no need for a private group, mentorship group, if you don't charge anything for your services. There is no need for it. That's number one. So why you would have a private mentorship group if you don't charge people money for anything is really weird. And then secondly, I am really good at hindsight trading too. Look, I'm going to tell you this. I think that the US 30 is going to go down. I think it's going to go down. Well, yep, I sure think it's going to go down because it's gone down. It's really easy to say that because it's already gone down. It's really easy to claim I told you so when it's already happened. So one, there's no need for a private mentorship group if you don't charge people money. No need for it. And two, it's really easy to say it's going to go down after it's already gone down. Thank you very much. Don't listen to this fucker. He's a clown. Go to the Jamaican bobsled team again. I